buffalo grilled shrimp, creamy, sweet miso corn soup. You can use a big old cast iron skillet for this. If you are going to skewer them and grill them, either on a grill pan or outside, use 2 skewers and line the shrimp up one at a time, these big, beautiful jumbo shrimp, so that they're kind of straddling both of those metal skewers, and it makes it so much easier to turn them uniformly, and they don't get away from you. So for the buffalo portion of our grilled spicy shrimp turned in the buffalo sauce, over here I have a pan with a few tablespoons of butter and some garlic waiting. That's not even on, it's just melting from the heat from the stovetop. The shrimp we're going to dress with olive oil non-aerosol cooking spray. I already hit the other side. Little salt and pepper, and I've got some of those beautiful fresh bay leaves laced in between our jumbo shrimp. And then to highlight the smoky flavor, a little smoked sweet paprika or pimenton. And then I'm going to use the aid of those skewers to help me get them onto our griddle pan. And we'll season up side 2. Once we flip our shrimp, we're gonna put a lemon on there and grill the lemon as well, so we get tons of juice and extra flavor out of the lemon. We're gonna make a buffalo blue ranch yogurt sauce. Yum. So you start with the base of Greek yogurt. I like the flavor of a fuller fat yogurt. You start with that, but you can also start with 0 fat if you want, or 2%. So we add a little bit of grated garlic. And then I said ranch. What does that mean? That means equal amounts of dill, parsley, and chive. Yum. A little bit of lemon zest and lemon juice. A little salt and pepper, and then my secret ingredient, not just blue cheese, but smoked blue cheese. Yum. So I'm gonna add some blue cheese to this and mix it all up. So half a cup of hot sauce goes into the butter, into the garlic. I'm carefully removing the skewers from our grilled shrimp. The flame is off. We toss these beautiful jumbo shrimp in that garlic and butter and hot sauce. Yes. And then I'm gonna pile our buffalo shrimp into this bowl alongside our usual suspects of celery sticks and carrot sticks. I added some red pepper strips with this as well. Our dip, of course, is that blue ranch style Greek yogurt dip. And then we pour the extra sauce down over the top. Yeah. Yeah, with a little squeeze of lemon, and she's good to go. Miso is becoming more and more popular and more mainstream. It's a natural, delicious, salty, soy-based product. White miso is very mellow. We're gonna take a fat couple of spoonfuls of miso and melt it together with sweet butter in a big old soup pot with a few fat spoonfuls, equal amounts of the white, mellow miso and our sweet butter. And then we're going to add a large onion, 2 bay leaves, 2 fresh bay leaves. Bay loves corn. And then we're going to maneuver the corn in. And after the corn gets going a bit, we're going to add some shaved garlic to the mix, because I put garlic in everything. And we'll season it up and talk more soup and the combination of liquids. Pull out those cobs and the bay leaves. Puree the rest of the soup. And then to top this, because the soup is so sweet and mellow, so we're gonna take our soup, finish it with our sweet chili, or you could use hot honey. Hot honey is delicious in this as well. A few chilies to float, mild and hot chilies, and some nice mild green onion. There you go.